In recent weeks, mysterious drones have been spotted hovering over northern and central New Jersey, raising concerns across the state, from residential neighborhoods to sensitive infrastructure. These sightings have left both residents and authorities searching for answers. So let's dive into what we know so far and what they could be. First, the scale of these sightings is significant. Large drones, sometimes appearing in clusters, have been reported across multiple counties. Most of these incidents happen at night, which makes them even more unusual. Local and federal agencies, including the FBI and New Jersey's Office of Homeland Security, are investigating. But the strange thing is that so far no one knows who's flying these drones or what their purpose is. What's especially concerning is where these drones are showing up. Some have hovered near critical infrastructure, like power lines and military installations. Authorities say there's no immediate threat to public safety and no evidence of foreign involvement. But to ensure security, the FAA has implemented flight restrictions in the affected areas. But this isn't just a New Jersey issue anymore. Similar reports are coming in from neighboring states, Connecticut, New York, Pennsylvania, and Maryland. The pattern of sightings suggests that this could be part of something much larger. A coordinated operation, corporate testing, something else. For now, we just don't know. Authorities are urging the public to report any suspicious drone activity directly to the FBI. Every report helps piece this mystery together. We'll put a link to that site in our description. Now let's talk about how people are responding to these stories and why some of these reactions can be dangerous. One of the most popular questions that is coming up is, why not just shoot the drones down? It might sound simple, but it's illegal and incredibly risky. The FAA considers drones to be aircraft, so shooting at one is a federal crime. Plus, most drones are powered by lithium-ion batteries, which can explode if damaged. Combine that with suburban areas where many of these drones have been spotted, and you're looking at a real danger: explosions, uncontrolled crashes, and potential harm to people and property. The safest solution is to report the drone to the authorities. That way, you're helping with the investigation without putting anyone in danger. We have an entire video covering the topic of shooting at drones, which you can check out here. Now, let's talk theories. Who could be behind these mysterious drone flights? There are a few possibilities circulating right now. First, some speculate these drones might be part of foreign surveillance operations, gathering intelligence near critical infrastructure. Their proximity to power lines and military facilities raises valid questions. Another interesting theory, highlighted by Russ from 51 Drones, is that these sightings could be tied to the ongoing debate around the DJI drone ban. He suggests that these might be an attempt to stir public fear and uncertainty about drones. When new legislation regarding the ban comes up next year, the chaos and concern caused by these incidents today could influence public opinion and support stricter regulations. These could also be experimental military drones, part of a classified US program. The size, maneuverability, and extended flight times match what you'd expect from advanced military technology. There's also the idea that private companies are testing new drone technologies, especially in industries like energy or logistics. But without anyone stepping forward, this remains unconfirmed. And finally, there are the more creative theories. Of course, UFOs are brought up, along with secret mothership operations from foreign governments. Now, although there's no evidence to back either of those claims up, we're still waiting for real answers. So honestly, no one really knows what's going on. The one reassuring detail is that so far, these drones haven't caused any direct harm. Overall, here's the bottom line. These mysterious drones are flying over critical areas, and despite investigations from local and federal agencies for weeks, no one has stepped forward to claim responsibility. With the sighting spreading beyond New Jersey, this isn't just a local story anymore. It's a regional phenomenon. We'd love to know what you think is going on. Are these drones part of something routine or something much bigger? Let us know your theories in the comments below, and we'll keep you updated as new information comes in. Our aim with this video is to stick to the facts, provide you with our perspective as it relates to drones and drone education, and not cause any further fear or hysteria. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.